atlascash.co. Is it a scam? Is it legit? What exactly is it? That's what we'll be talking about today. Also, please do subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, smash the like button, share this video, leave your comments down below as well, and check out the playlist of 31 cash apps in 31 days. You can do one a day, you can do 31 in one day. Check that out. It's a little challenge for you. These are legit apps that I've been using for a long time. Cashback apps, making money watching videos, earn cash listening to music, free stock apps, free Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies, get paid for your videos and your photos, product reviews, and more. Check those out as well. And most of these apps have referral links where you can even make more money by sharing your links. So I made a separate video about that. Check out the link right there in the video. Well, there's a link in the video description below for it. Really cool place to share your referral links for free, all your affiliate marketing links, all that good stuff. And by the way, before I forget, if you also want to check out the exact same system that people just like you use to go from making $0 to $100 per day, even more in some cases, check out the top link in the video description below. Looks a little bit like this. A really, really cool system. Check it out. Endless opportunities, zero risk, large community there as well. All right, so let's take a look at this website, atlascash.co. We talk about what it is, how it works, how you make money, scam or legit, how do they pay, is there a referral program, payment proof, what countries, tips and tricks, and all kind of other cool stuff. All right, so let's get right into it then. So atlascash.co, make $300 per day with social media. The only legit influencer network that pays up to $10 per referral. Okay, I disagree with that because I use Dosh and other referral programs. They pay me $10 anyways. But that's what they claim. Let's see what they say here. Sign up, Atlas counts, join the community, people making money online, blah, blah, blah. Invite your friends on our site by sharing your influencer link. You'll earn $10 for every friend you invite that joins our site. And they pay out with PayPal, Cash App, Bitcoin, or mailed checks. And there's a $25 bonus sign up, supposedly, because I'm about to show you some red flags. Here are some testimonials. And let's get right into the red flags. Okay, so these testimonials, obviously fake. I have seen, if you've been watching my channel, see me review other sites just like this. All these sites just pretty much clone one another. They all give you, they say there's a bonus for signing up. They say there's $10 or $25 sometimes in some cases for referring people. They have these ridiculous calculators here that tell you how much money you can make if you get 100 followers. It's $28 a day. Let's say 1,000, blah, blah, blah. You get $230 a day. Brands we work with, I highly doubt this. You know, why? Okay, let me tell you why. Well, you can tell me why in the comments below. I'm going to show you some things. All right, so first off, since we're down the bottom of the page here, get social. All right, this is just a default website template that they use. They don't even take time to fill this stuff out. You click on the Facebook profile, it goes right back to their homepage. Nothing there. Very shady looking, very unprofessional. About. Founded in 2015. 2015, of course. And they paid out, sometimes they tell you how much they paid out. They didn't tell you how much they paid out in this one. Oh, with over 44 million paid out to over 300,000 members. Yeah. Okay, so well, let's talk about this then. 2015, $44 million they paid out, they said. Today is September 30th, 2020. And if you go to the Whois database here for this website, atlascash.co, you can see they were created in July 3rd of 2020. So only a few months old that the site has been up. So obviously that is very shady. And they claim they paid out $44 million. You know, hey, if they did it in a couple of months, I highly doubt it. So yeah, this is totally not legit, in my opinion. I would not even sign up for this. They get these things here, sign up, blah, blah, blah. Terms and conditions page goes nowhere when you try to sign up. Privacy policy goes nowhere when you try to sign up. Fraud policy goes nowhere when you try to sign up. Just goes back to those pages. So yeah, they just throw these sites up. They're scams. They're scams. Anyways, that's all for today. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Check out the 31 apps and 31 cash apps in 31 days. Really cool stuff there. Those are all legit apps. You can also check out my channel. I have hundreds of other videos on my channel. You can make money online. Really, really cool stuff. Check that out as well. Talk to you soon.